The next paradigm. The next wave. The obligatory bitch slap from the great tentacled monster. The great and knowing creature that emerges from the depths of greed and market euphoria to take your money, to twist and pry with its tentacles into every secret corner and crevice of the free markets. Smart money. They say the military has tech that is 10 years ahead of anything the civilian mind can dream up. It's the same with Wall Street. These guys were on the AI train since the mid-90s, years ahead of what anybody was working with before they knew what they were working with. Caffeinated quants in dimly lit rooms were clacking away on algorithms that literally fucking evolved. They were released into the markets and would adapt and mutate based on various factors. Literal survival of the fittest, hunter-seekers. That was in the 2000s, the early 2000s. Where do you think they are now? Instead of solving pesky unprofitable problems like hunger, world peace, and curing diseases like cancer, the smartest people in the world, people with multiple PhDs from MIT, Stanford, etc., people whose minds are paragons of sheer fucking beauty, were employed by HFT and quant trading firms to make more money for already rich people in the stock market. And to make themselves filthy rich too. The most advanced algorithms. The greatest technology deployed for one purpose. Around 70 to 80% of all trading today is automated. Honestly, it's probably even more. Automation is already in control of the markets. But those algorithms are coded and deployed by humans. What happens when it's done by generative AI? AI eats the research world. Large models read filings, calls, shipping logs, court dockets, satellite captions, then synthesize theses and alternative data faster than any trading desk. Platforms already unify positions, risk, news, and analytics in one panel. Wire in modern AI, and the research loop shrinks from days to minutes to picoseconds. It was 10 years ago, and they were, no lie, microwaving trades from New York to Chicago, instead of using fiber optic cables. What you can think of is already old news. The old pipeline was linear, idea to backtest to trade. AI makes it continuous. Agents generate variants of a strategy, auto-label the regimes, and propose risk-aware portfolios, fluid risk dynamics. Where AI really takes over is execution. Deep reinforced learning market making and smart order routing agents learn to quote, cancel, and slice orders based on live microstructure. Papers and theses already show reinforced learning outmatching static playbooks and simulated order books. Production desks are iterating on this now. AI will monitor feeds from satellites, weather data. The faint stirrings of a tropical breeze off the coast of Cabo Verde will trigger a price prediction on coffee crops or anything grown in the Caribbean. Nothing disrupts global trade like a hurricane. Prediction is done by simulating as many variables in vector space as possible. But what about us poor, humble retail trader peasants? What about them, huh? For the free market plebeians, AI will triage information overload, surface position-sized ideas with explicit risk, and route orders with institutional discipline. Expect chat-style co-pilots embedded in broker apps, with pre-trade flight checks, event day rules, and post-trade journaling generated automatically. The line will seem like it's blurring between Wall Street and retail, and in some ways it is. But as retail gains more ground, democratizes finance, as good old Robin Hood likes to say, the quants and trading firms and the pure unmediated bliss of financial highway robbery will steal a march on us unwashed masses. They will use AI to make better AI to trade better than you. AI will trade and develop rules and theses, but the meaning still lies with humans. If the black box gets so fucking black and dense that the socially awkward mathematical genius quant's knowledge passes the event horizon, then it's all bets off, literally. Hopefully AI has the presence of mind to turn itself off if the risk model spins out of control. Although we don't turn ourselves off when we downward spiral, do we? How can we expect AI models to do the same? Let's not get too fucking bleak. AI is still a bubble. Or haven't you heard? AI won't conquer trading with a single god model. It seeps into every scene. Research, idea generation, execution, risk, and compliance. until the market is mostly machines negotiating with machines inside rules humans set. All to make money. All for the rocket to the moon.